In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Handelsbanken Norway app when it's not working properly. Whether the app is crashing, freezing, or simply not responding as it should, these straightforward steps will guide you through troubleshooting the issue effectively. First things first, let's ensure that your internet connection is stable. This is often the most common culprit for application issues. To do this, make sure your device is connected to either a Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Once connected, test the strength of your connection by opening another app or website to see if they load properly. If they do, then we can rule out connectivity as the problem. Next up, restarting the app can do wonders. Close the Handelsbanken app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps or through your device's app settings. After it's closed, reopen the app and check if the problem persists. This simple action can refresh the app's processes and clear temporary glitches. Keeping your apps up to date is crucial for maintaining functionality, so let's make sure you're using the latest version of the Handelsbanken app. Head over to the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play if you're on an Android device. In the search bar, type Handelsbanken. If an update is available, you'll see an option to update. Tap it, and once the update is complete, try launching the app again. If the app still isn't working as expected, a quick device restart can often solve stubborn glitches. Turning your phone off and back on can clear any lingering software issues. Once your device is back on, reopen the Handelsbanken app and see if the issue has been resolved. As a final step, if none of the previous solutions work, consider reinstalling the app. Begin by deleting the app from your device. On most phones, you can do this by pressing and holding the app icon until you see an option to delete or uninstall it. Once removed, head back to your device's app store and reinstall the Handelsbanken app from the official store. After the installation process is complete, log back in using your bank ID or the necessary security details. Following these steps should help resolve any issues you're experiencing with the Handelsbanken Norway app. If the problem persists, there might be a larger issue at play, such as server problems, that would require you to reach out to Handelsbanken's customer service for more in-depth assistance. Remember, keeping your device, apps, and connections in tip-top shape will contribute to smooth performance in the long run. Thanks for watching, and good luck with getting your app back on track.